Hi everyone, welcome to week January 4th to 11th. A couple of things to note. If you look here, this is the calendar. You have to click on it, and when you click on it, you can read the event. So here it says the reading skill using on New Year's resolutions. It's due on Thursday, and this activity will go into your binder. Okay. Go back to the main page, just a minute. Okay. So we went over a lot of this in the lab, but I just want to go over two things. One is the reading New Year's resolution skill using activity. So this activity is due by Thursday. I'm not sure what time on Thursday it's due. Hopefully you'll have all day Thursday until midnight to hand it in. So when you click on it, then you're going to write your email address and then click on next, and then you will write your name and then you will answer the questions. Now here you'll click on this. This is the link to the article. So you're going to have two windows open. You will have the window where you'll read the article, and you'll have the window where you will be answering the questions. So I'm using here, this is Google Forms. I don't believe you need a Google account to submit this, so you'll be able to do it directly from here. Okay, second thing is I mentioned to those students who don't know how to use Quizlet. You'll click on this and you can click on Start Game to begin, and you'll see it's a matching activity. So you want to drag and drop the idiom to its meaning. But you can skip this, and if you go down here to study mode, I would begin with the flashcards. So if we click on the flashcards, this would be, if we click on here to see the term, here is the idiom, start the new year with a bang. So what does that mean, start the new year with a bang? You can listen here as well. But to start the new year with a bang, begin the year with something new and exciting. Example, this year I started the year off with a bang. I quit my job and moved to Paris. Okay, so to go to the next flashcard, you will click the arrow. Okay, again, this is the definition. Make sure that you start with the expression and then click the card to read the definition. Okay, and so then you can go to the next card again. This is the expression, and this is the definition. Okay, if you go down to study mode, there's different options. You can test, use flashcards, and the first part was the matching game. I recommend doing the flashcards before you do the matching game. Okay, so that's the vocabulary for this week. Going back to the class, sorry. Now, for new students, also you can look at the, it's not on here. Let me go to student view, switch role to student. Sorry about that. Okay, so you can go to these readings on getting ready to learn online and being successful with LINC. So these, you don't have to read them all this week, but in the next few weeks, I would like you to spend time reading this to familiarize yourself with the course format, okay, using the LINC 6 courseware. But remember, these are the main activities for this week. So don't forget to take your pink sheet that I gave you today, which is your Moodle journal. And any questions you have, it could be vocabulary, It could be a sentence from here. It could be something to do with your reading, or maybe something to do with the New Year's Traditions video. Anything that you have, you can write on your Moodle journal. And I expect that you have questions on Saturday. So please bring the pink sheet with questions. Okay. My contact information is here. As you'll see, I have 2 emails. Okay, so the first one is at vcc.ca, MKOTKO, and then for absences, I prefer you use this email. And this is the link program information number if you need to contact the office for any reason. Okay, I think that's enough for this week to get started. I may add one more listening activity, but remember I said nothing new by Tuesday. Okay, and if I add it on Monday, you will have until Friday to finish. Okay, so there will be no deadline. By the way, there is a reading here, reading practice, Bear Gobbles Up Christmas Baking. This reading is kind of extra practice. So once you finish the skill using, this is the more important one to finish. It has the deadline by Thursday, and it's going to be used in your binder. This one is more optional, well, not optional, but more scanning, just for building reading literacy. Okay, everybody, thanks so much, and see you on Saturday.